Cheers. We're moving this morning, and we are back for another pheasant hunt. Last video I posted was like mid-October, end of October, and it is now November 20-something. I don't know. It's the day after Thanksgiving. Black Friday. Hope everybody had an awesome Thanksgiving and spent it with family. But now it's time to focus on the roosters. Alright? Stubby and I are amped as ever to get out. There's no snow on the ground, which is very unlike Minnesota. So it's a little weird. I went out last week with a couple buddies. I might throw some clips in here on the drive just so you guys aren't bored. I got a couple of good clips from last weekend, but my camera was tilted down, so I couldn't get like a couple of the shots. I'd pull up and shoot and you couldn't even see the bird. I was a little fiery. That's okay. We're gonna do some rooster chasing today, and then tonight I gotta go to my little sister's hockey game well, I won't disclose the town I'm in, but I'll be there. And then I'm gonna car camp tonight, and then in the morning we're gonna chase some roosters and probably be back home tomorrow night. So, crossing our fingers all goes well. We're gonna start on some public land. We may ask for permission, depends on how roosters are. Last weekend they were pretty jumpy on the public. We were able to get one on the public, and then we landed a nice private piece of land, and Stubby was just rock starring it. So, we'll see. I know a lot of the public land gets hit a lot, so you just kind of have to come at it from a different angle. Just go counterclockwise, works every time. Well, I'll show you guys some clips from last weekend, and I'm heading out there. It is currently 6 in the morning, and it is pitch black outside, so enjoy these clips quick. Try to run up that corner. I'll take this inside. Okay. If you guys want to take the... Hey, rooster! Nice shot. Nice. Stubby! Good looking bird. Yeah, it is. Stubby! Stubby! Where's he at?
He's right here.
Does he?
Yeah.
Stubby, here! Stubby! Here! Stubby! Good boy! My bird, my bird. No. Good boy! Good boy! Nice, buddy! Doesn't even want a pet. Stubby, come here! Go get it. Good boy. Nice. I was 60% sure that was a rooster. Good boy. My bird. My bird. Stubby. Yeah.
When I seen it, it's not like...
Nope, neither did it. Okay, where did my dog go? Oh, shit. There it goes. Boy. I don't think so. Stubby. Not gonna lie, that was a really long shot. I was really surprised to see it go.
What the fuck?
Oops.
Put the gun away. Okay, just tell me where to go. Just tell me.
They call me the executioner. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips. That was a pretty fun weekend. We ended up with 5 birds and we were 1 short of our limit. But other news, I just got out here with Stubby and we were 12 minutes from our, what I wanted to go. And I'm driving and, you know, we're passing cornfields and stuff and I'm always keeping my eyes out for roosters. And, come across, I see a, you know, public land sign and a rooster. I almost hit him with my damn car and I know exactly where he's at right now. We can also hunt the other side of the road where he came from. The wind isn't the best for it, so what I think I'm gonna do is I just kept driving. I didn't stop. If you stop, those birds are gone. He was pretty wily too. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going, since I came down the road, I pulled over kind of next to this farm here, and I'm gonna get Stubby's collar and his vest on. I'm gonna get my gun in the passenger seat loaded and everything, with GoPro ready, and then I'm gonna drive down, park kind of a ways away, and then circle downwind and see if I can get Stubby on his scent right on the road there. Maybe we can start the day with 1 bird already. So to me, I think this is a good plan. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I'm in the car, but just about to hop out. Frozen tundra out here. Boy, and Stubby's in the car. Cool. I'm not sure how huntable this is, but that rooster was in here and he crossed the road right up there, so we're just gonna go down and circle back in and maybe we can even stick him. Boy, would that be cool. Come on. He very well may be on one. I don't know. Shit. Oh yeah, that bird. Stubby! Didn't make it very far. Cool. Stubby! Dead bird. Big rooster. Dang. Stubby, go in here. Try to get back to the car here. Ah, damn. Well. I feel like I didn't hit that bird fatally. He'll make it another season, I guarantee it. Rooster. Cool. Come on, Stubby. It's gotta be dead up here. Landed like right up here. Yep, go get it. Stubby. 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 Stubby, here. Stubby. 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 Here. 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 No. No. Small bird. Man. Oh shit. Here, buddy. It's an absolute midget. Okay. One for the day. And it's a baby one. Shit. Just about to say there's probably a rooster in there.
Got him. Stubby, go get him. Cool. Stubby, Stubby, come here. There you go, perfect. Stubby got him. Stubby, give him here. Good boy. That damn bird. Stubby, my bird. Cool, come on. Awesome. Whew. We're done today. The 16 gauge does it again. Stubby, hunted a few spots this morning. Had that one flush. Come here. That we saw across the road. Stubby. There you are. Stubby, come here. Come here. And yeah, we had that one. Then this juvenile got up here. I mean, Stubby, come on. This juvenile got up, God, I don't know, 10 seconds into the walk. And I saw it was a rooster, so I took it. But as you can see, he is not very old. Tastes pretty good, though. And then, after searching for a little bit, that is what we're after. Like, god dang, look at that tail, man. Wowza. You don't see them like that every day. Like, oh my goodness. Stubby, come here. Come here. Hey, what's this? Stubby, what's this? Awesome. See, he's not even done hunting. He thinks we can still hunt today. But that's a limit for us. Hey, good job. Good job. And yeah, he found that one right in the cattails, so we're getting blood on the gun. No. We're done today. We're gonna do a little car camping tonight. We gotta figure out something to do for the rest of the day. And then car camping tonight, go to a hockey game, and probably coming back to this spot tomorrow. I don't see why not. There's plenty of birds here. We saw a couple roosters that got away, so awesome. Got a little blood on the gun. Never hurt anything. All right, I'll see you guys in the car probably later. Not even sure if you guys can see me. Just had a little snack. Stubby sleeping. It is 10:16. Little sisters had a hockey game tonight. They won. Boy, it's on my face. They won their game 11-0. So that was good. We're in a parking lot right now though. And we're gonna crash and get up in the morning and hopefully find some more roosters. Stubby's ready to go up. He's gotta go potty. I gotta go potty too. Slept pretty decent last night. Yeah, can't shoot for another 2 hours, so we do have a 40-minute drive to the spot, so probably gonna let him out. I'm gonna let myself out, and then yeah, we'll probably hit the road here and try to go find our spot to kill a rooster. That's the plan. All right, so we just pulled into the spot. It is 8:10. Stubby's ready to go out. He's in his kennel. Anyways, we're at the same spot we were yesterday where we limited out. But the conditions today are totally different. Yesterday we had a strong, stiff northwest wind, really cold, frost everywhere. Birds were holding semi-tight. And today we got a strong, stiff southwest wind and snow. Now, as you can see behind me, I mean, it's not snowing very hard, but there is a flurry going around. Kind of gets me excited. Maybe they'll hold a little tighter. The key I've been finding on these public land pieces is it's got to be big. Like, there's got to be a lot of cattails, a lot of cover for these birds. And then also right here, this right here is not ideal. That is a tilled up cornfield. But that, you know, not the slough, but past the slough, kind of by that red barn, all this field here, that is a non-tilled up cornfield. That's what we're looking for. And I got a huge one here behind me. You can't see it because it's over the hill. But kind of where we were hunting yesterday. It's kind of right along that side of that cornfield, and the birds are just piling into the cattails right after eating. So hopefully we get into them today. Yeah, the plan is just gonna be sneak over the hill and try to kill them. Ain't that right, Tubby? But I'm gonna take a little nap till shooting light. So,
but look at these things. If they cross to the left, we can go for them. The right side of the road is private. Left side is public, right in those trees. Oh, come on. I'm gonna keep up. They disappeared on me. We might go try to shoot those first, but it is only 8:20, so we may get ready here and then run up like we did yesterday. Those were 3 birds. I don't know if they're roosters or hens, but I'm sure Stubby can find them. Cool.
slice or something. Oh my God, Stubby! Ooh. Hen, cool. I don't know if I got him or not. If I got that bird, that's a damn miracle. I don't know where he went either. Ooh.
Well, the footage from this morning got erased. That sucked. I had three opportunities at 3 separate roosters, and I just completely whiffed. I wish I had that to show you guys, because it was miserable. But, yeah. Not fun. Stubby is pretty toasted. He's going to be taking a nap here on the way home. We hunted the rest of the day. I fixed that GoPro situation. Hunted the rest of the day. Just saw those... 2 hens, and there was another rooster. I shot at it, but I didn't get it. And then just now we had a rooster get up in this public piece, but as you guys can guess, I whiffed on that one too. So ending the weekend on 2 birds, but we'll be back out next weekend, and the limit is 3. So hopefully Stubby takes a good nap here. He looks tired. You trying to get comfortable, or are you gonna lay down? Thank you for watching, guys.